Hello and welcome to the Household of Faith. And I wanted you to see the garden in the daytime. Early enough, it's about 8:45 a.m. Mountain Time. And I want to let you have a look. It's been raining for the last several days, every day, which is good. Colorado needs the rain. This is one of the tires, the first tire by the gate here. And you can see that the violas are doing wonderful. And I planted some dill seeds right here around that cup. They don't seem to be coming up. The dill itself, it's killed by the cold. That's okay. Well, that happens. Here's the second tire with more plants, flowers in it. They're doing well. These seedlings here should be beans, and hopefully they'll grow up and then we'll trellis them. Some red grass with more flowers. And if we go down here, this is lemongrass and some violas. We keep going. We got a nice looking geranium here. More flowers. Sweet potato vine right there. This is a pomegranate tree, I believe, that did nothing. The um, this is the vinca vine and some flowers. This is a kiwi vine. It's doing nothing. I'm going to take and get my money back on this stuff. Another sweet potato vine that is trying to grow. And I really am not sure what these are. I grew them, but I'm on the inside, but I don't recognize the seeds. And here, more flowers. Petunia. Um, oh my God. Cleopsis, I believe. There. Um, a violet bush and flowers. Okay. Nothing. Daylilies, more flowers. I don't remember what I planted in here. It's not doing anything that I can see. Not really. Uh, I have to look at it. The tomatoes and last year's blueberry bush, which looks completely dead. Swiss chard there and tomatoes dead. Um, I forget what's in there. I'll have to look it up. I can't remember all this stuff. So, potatoes are coming back again, and some hyacinth grapes. But the potatoes are growing back. I thought they were dead with the frost we got, but they're not. Okay, and then here we go. Well, here's the Creopolis. Oh, what was that? I don't remember. We got to get that in the dirt. Now, I know I dropped some sunflower seeds. I dropped all kind of seeds in this barrel, tire. So we got some coming up here and there. Oh, I know what that was. We'll go back to it. That was watermelon. So here we go up here on the fence. Yeah, my fig tree not doing so well. Um, so I brought this fern from in the house. It needs to hang anyway. So some of this stuff, flowers are still going. Still going. Stuff I seeded that's gladiola going there. It's been like that forever. Ranunculus right there, I believe. Um, the balloon flower, yeah, I think it's been too cold for it. Another petunia. And stuff that's just not growing. The hyacinth are. The raspberry bush, I'm really happy with its growing. Um, oh, here it is behind me. Let me look. Watermelon in there. I couldn't remember what it was. There we go. So, um, some different other bulbs, sedum, more bulbs. Um, this is Creeping Jenny. Got to get it out of this water it's sitting in. And we'll put it here for now so I can get some good sun. Yeah, tools I should have brought inside. And the strawberry plant. And it's got a nice looking strawberry on there. Got to get that in some dirt. This is the columbine. Remnants of flowers. I got to pinch off the dead ones. And it looked like it's suffering a little bit from the cold. And the pansies. Those are strawberries too, but I don't want to open them up. They weren't doing anything. Pansies and garlic chives. Okay, so that's the end of the tour for the garden today. And it's only going to be about 50 degrees. Tomorrow's supposed to be like 80. So hopefully I can get out here tomorrow and do some work. I see a couple that I still need to put in the dirt. I may do that if possible. So thank you for joining us here at the Household of Faith. This is the update on the garden. And as you can see, the sun is barely starting to hit it. And it's going to swing south, and then we'll have pretty much full sun all day. So glad to be able to share this with you. And I'll be on my way. God bless.